Hi guys, so this is gonna be our ingredients for our pizza. Okay, so I have my flour here, all-purpose flour, and so with this is frozen. Okay, frozen vegetables. I have green pepper in there, and I have the red one, I have the yellow one, I have some onions, and I have this one. I don't know the name. The olive whatever it is. Yeah, okay, so I've got my the sauce. So you can use any kind of sauce. You can use pasta sauce, you can use stew. Yeah, and this is my instant ease. This is my olive oil, and this is my salt, that is my sugar, and my cheese. So with the cheese you can also use any kind of cheese that you like. Okay, alright guys, let's dive into it. Warm water. See, okay, that is 2 cups. Mixer too, you can use a dough mixer. So I'm going to cover it. So I said, if you have the dough mixer, you can go ahead and use it. I guess you have to get this close to it. Just spread it in the pizza bowl direct, or you can just spread it on your before you put it in the freezer. So whatever you so as you can see, I put a little bit of cheese under it before I'm going to add sauce.
And more each day. This makes me sad, and it hurts. Hurts so bad.
Pepperoni. Our homemade pizza is ready. Ooh, I can't wait to have it as usual. Yeah, so guys, if you are making it, you can make it as cheesy as you wish, okay? As cheesy as you want it. Some people like cheesy pizza, some people too don't, okay? So you want to make it how you like it, okay? So you want to let it cool down a little bit, and it is ready to be served. Oh my, oh my. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye. I'm going to let it cool down and I will consume it with some cheese.